WLTC First News Today continues in high definition.
All right, well, welcome back. We have Dr. Moore in studio this morning to talk about a really difficult topic, but something that should be talked about. Hopefully in marriages you don't experience any type of infidelity or cheating, but it could happen. So that's why we have Dr. Moore here just to talk a little bit about this. So thank you for coming on this morning.
Thank you for having me.
So first, let's talk about what are some of the signs that you believe your spouse is cheating?
Sure. I think one of the signs is really when your spouse is not paying attention to you and they're not engaged in emotional and physical contact with you.
And so is it possible if something like this happens, infidelity in a marriage, to rebuild trust again if your spouse is cheating?
Absolutely. I think it really depends on if those individuals are interested and committed to moving forward in the relationship. So infidelity can lead to a breakup, but it also can be a place to create conversation to try to move forward and improve the relationship.
Definitely. And so what are some of the steps you advise your patients or to a couple looking to rebuild their marriage after infidelity?
Sure. I think one of the things is for both individuals to be honest with themselves and to try to explore what happened in the relationship. Where did things go wrong? Was it, one person feeling neglected? Was it a person was just interested in another person? To try to explore that and be honest with themselves and each other, right? And then after that, I think it's important to have that dialogue with one another. And that's where a licensed marriage and family therapist could be helpful.
Definitely. And so what helps, do you believe, in the recovery process?
Well, I think, one of the major things is just being honest. I think that's one of the things that poses as a barrier for a lot of people in relationships. People are afraid to be honest. People are afraid to say, this happened and I'm sorry. And so I think a big part of it is just being honest with yourself and with one another.
And so if someone wants to reach out to you that has possibly experienced this, and where can they go reach you?
Sure. They can reach me at my website at www.iamorellc.com. And my office is located on 3025 University Avenue in Suite 202.
And especially for couples coming in, what is one thing that you tell them if something like this has happened to their relationship?
So the first thing I ask them, I say, how committed are you to rebuilding this relationship? And so, the thing about it is sometimes I get clients where there's one partner that's really committed and the other one is not. And that's where the problem lies. And so both individuals have to be committed to rebuilding trust.
Definitely. Any lasting thoughts, Dr. Moore, that you'd like to leave our viewers before we go?
Sure. I do think that people can overcome adversity in terms of infidelity within relationships if they want to. So it doesn't mean that it has to be the breakup or the dissolution of your relationship.
Definitely. Okay, so one more time, Dr. Moore, where can someone find you if they would like to reach you? Because you do an array of different counseling. So
Sure. You can reach me on my website at www.iamorellc.com, and my office is at 3025 University, Suite 202.
Well, great. Well, besides marriage counseling, one more time, what else do you specialize in?
So I do individual and couple and family therapy. I do employment and workplace trauma. I do military populations. I do a gambit of mental health, general mental health treatment, depression, anxiety, eating disorders, etc.
See, there you go. Just, again, an array of things that you specialize in. So thank you so much, Dr. Moore, in talking about this tough but very important topic to talk about.
Thank you.